Hello, good morning and happy Sunday. Today it's the day for the family to rest and to thank God for all the blessing. It's a day for us to be together, to go to our church and thank God for all the blessing. We should thank for a grateful day, a grateful love and happiness. Always be good health. And we love God for whatever trials in our life. We have to embrace it and pray for it, and everything will be okay. Have a good Sunday and be grateful. Be with your family and loved ones. Always be happy. Always be good and kind to everyone. Happy Sunday, and please watch my YouTube channel, Bernadette Rocco. Share and subscribe. I love you all. Thank you. I love you. Bye-bye.